Bulan, wearing jersey number 18. Biromoy, wearing jersey number 12. Yanez, wearing jersey number 7. Taliban Jerebong, wearing jersey number 21. Enrique Stanton, wearing jersey number 19. And sa Team 6, first 5, Lumigid, wearing jersey number 1. Lugbuban, wearing jersey number 0. Tampipi, wearing jersey number 3. Istokaneng, wearing jersey number 18. O Dominguez, wearing jersey number 0. First 5 sa ating team, tunga sa atong hardcore. Okay, correct? Sarap, okay. Sakto na ito mga referee eh. Hindi man na, hindi man mga bako.
Cute, guys. Ako kwan cute, be. Kanang turong ba? Porong ba? Kay gataligsik.
Isa. Isa, apit pa.
Grabe reaction time.
Isa. Sana walang signal. Bro. Larga pula. Inside this bowling. Rebound by Enrique Stanton. Nakuha ni Stanton. Nakuha ni Abunan. Sa step, nakalisod. Still by Lumigid. Foul by Enrique Stanton. Enrique Stanton, you get your first personal foul first for the team foul. Imbaan by Mr. Lumigid. Pas to Lugbuban. Pas to Dominguez. Sumala ng 3. Walang sa Dominguez na kuha niya. Out of bounds. Committed by Mr. Salvan. Team ball position. Team 6 has the ball. Dominguez. Yanez, the main ball. Yanez. From the city of Wood. Yanez. Lumusan sa foul. Foul committed by Istokaneng. Istokaneng again her. First personal foul. First for the team foul. Inbound by Biromoy. Pasto Enriquez to Salpan. Salpan again nagkapasahan. Pasto Enriquez. Sa ilalim mo. Lalakuha ni Yanez. Wala pa rin, it's a foul. Foul committed by Lugbuban. Mr. Lugbuban, you get the first personal foul. Second for the team foul. 2 free throws for Mr. Yanez. First throw attempt. Connect. Jumpers ready for the last throw. Last throw. Wala. One point ulit all. Mr. Yanez nakuha ni Dominguez. Mr. Dominguez, bibig na po ito ng wala. Mr. Dominguez, Mr. Violation. Dancing rock music. Dancing violation. Committed by Mr. Stanton. Bola sa team 2. Salvan bibig the ball. Salvan. Pastor Biromoy. Mr. Biromoy. Nagkitin mo ng bola. Mr. Biromoy. Pastor Yanez. Lumusot. Wala na kuha ni. Pagkali mo na nakuha na po ni Mr. Dominguez. Dominguez is stop. Yata na play. Biromoy. Paso Salvan. Replaying the ball. Salvan, ikabong ang bola. Salvan. Mr. Salvan. May nakapasahan. Pasto. Apunan. Break. It's a travel violation. Committed by Mr. Apunan. Palitin ang passport. Kaya mag-travel na ta. Nakuha ni Mr. Lumingit. Mr. Lumingit, lumingit the ball. Lumingit. Pass to Konig. It's the Konig. Gusto. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Lumingit. Lumingit. Kapunan to Biroy. Biroy. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Lumingit. Out of bounds. Drop ball position. Bola sa Team 2. Team 2 basketball. Team 2 basketball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 6 seconds. First period. Abunan po na ito. Pass to Biroy. Nagkalisod. Nakuha ni Biroy. Meron itong Biroy. Pwede ka tapas. Ilogan ang buko. Biroy. Natagal ang kapunan. Kapunan. 16 seconds to shoot. Nagwala ko. Gusto ko na. Gusto ko na. Gusto ko na. Team 6 basketball is Qatar basketball. Lumingit to Lumingis. Lumingis. Ako ay nilinis balik. Pasto Lugkuban. Lugkuban to Bilang 3. Wala na kuha. Stoning. Out of bounds. Single position. Team Qatar basketball.
Ini nga nakasabalik po siya.
4 minutes and 51 seconds is score. 4 against 1. In favor of Team 2. Lumingit to Lumingis. Lumingis. Dalapak. Lumingis ang kapasan. Bas to Lugkuban. Lo, ginagang ito kuning. Gusto ko na yung ipayong. Nakuha ni. Salpang yung nagkapasan. Bas to Biroy. Biroy to Biroy. Biroy. On the ground. Lumingis is still back na yung Giovanni. It's a top ball position. Team 6 basketball. Team 6 basketball. Inbound time is Lumingis. Pasto Mr. Pepe. Pepe ng Lugkuban. Lugkuban inisip. Lugkuban tanam. Lugkuban. Still back. Lumingit nag-iisip. Lumingit. Gusto lumusok. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Biroy. Nalit na naman. Gusto makalawa. Ipatagos na Lumingit out of bounds. Team 6 basketball. This is brought to you by Topay Nagtibig. Pag wala ka nito, palit ang imo. Substitution na gawas. Sunod ang usunod. Lumingis the ball. Mr. Lumingis goes over. Mr. Lumingis. Pastor sa kanila ulit po ng tres. Wala. Team 2 basketball. Time running 2 minutes and 9 seconds. First quarter. 4 against 5 in favor of Team 2.
Ay, pasargain na. Kasi lang.
Maglay ba nga pangitag ula?
Team 2 basketball. Imbang kay Mr. Habunan. Pasto Salvan dribbling the ball. Salvan tabok ang bola. Salvan nag-iisip. Salvan yung nagpasahan. Pasto Habunan. Nakuha ni Yes. Kasi ka ba? Rebound by Mr. Arione. Ito foul. Foul committed by Mr. Biroy. Mr. Biroy get their second personal foul. Third for the team foul. Team 6 basketball. Inbound by Mr. Harene. Pass to Stokaneng. Stokaneng will bring the ball. Stokaneng. Pass to Dominguez. Dominguez. Hindi nagkapasahan. Pass to Harene. Harene bumukol ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Mr. Dominguez. Dominguez using the glass. Mr. Dominguez. Salvan with Enriquez. Enriquez to Salvan again. Salvan to bring the ball. Salvan. Nagtitip mo ng bola. Salvan ang nagkapasahan. Salvan, pass to Habunan. 10 seconds to shoot that ball. Habunan. Pass to Salvan. 5 seconds to shoot that ball. Salvan to Lugbuban. Lugbuban to foul. By Sabe. Foul committed by Mr. Enriquez. Enriquez to get their second personal foul. Fourth team fouls. Warning for team penalty. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. First quarter is 4, 6 against 5 in favor of team is Cracker. Gusto ko na yung pass to Harene goes over. Harene! Pass to Daniel on the ground! Looking in, before the rebound. Pass to Mr. Dominguez. Dominguez. Salvan between the ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. First quarter. 15 seconds to shoot the ball. Salvan ang tatapos pass to Habunan. Habunan to Salvan. Salvan tumira ng tres! Stokaneng goes over. Stokaneng pass to Dominguez. Dominguez. Reserve timeout, team 2. Lugbuban, bring the ball. Lugbuban, time remaining 1 minute. First quarter. Harene, tumira ng tres. Gusto mo power. Habunan ng ito sa pass to Enriquez. Time remaining 50 seconds. First quarter. Habunan. 15 seconds. Shoot the ball. Salvan ang ito sa. Salvan nag-reset. Salvan. 10 seconds. Shoot the ball. Enriquez. Wala. Out of bounds. This game is brought to you by Windows Campaign. Online, numaraw. Rep. Kasi ata to. Symbol. Time remaining 36 seconds. First quarter is 4, 8 against 10 in favor of team 2. Team 2 basketball. Let's start this ball game. Habunan. Put a ball pass to Salvan. 5 seconds at that. Salvan. Pagkutuwa na naman Mr. Lugbuban. Lupin the ball. Pass to Dominguez. Salvan out of bounds. Team 2 basketball. Nabitaw ng bola. Time remaining 22 seconds. First quarter. Time remaining 22 seconds. First quarter, score 8 against 10 in favor of team 2. Salvan, dribbling the ball. Salvan, isip. Wala na shot clock ha. 18 seconds remaining. Salvan, tumukol ng tres! Wala! Nakuha ni Enriquez. Habunan, tumira ng tres!
Wala!
And on the first Way latang.